Hey everyone. So in this video we are going to study about the angle pairs and parallel lines. So the first and the foremost pair that we are going to study about is vertically opposite angle pair. The vertically opposite angles are generated when two lines cross each other or intersect each other. So they produce a pair of angles which is equal to each other. Rather, I should say opposite pair of angles which are equal to each other. So we can say that from the figure, so I would take the figure, this one, which says angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. But let's also hop into the reason why are they equal. With the property of linear pair that I have discussed in the previous video, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Why? Again, linear pair. It's also called the angle on the same straight line. So whichever reason you want to use, you can use that. With the first equation, we can see that angle B or angle A, angle A is equals to 180 degree. Take away angle B. And angle C is equals to 180 degree. Take away angle B. Right. So with the third and the fourth equation, we realize that since the right hand side of the third and the fourth equation are absolutely same, the left hand sides are also same. So angle A is equal to angle C. Please try for angle B is equals to angle D. I mean, you can try to prove it. Next angle set that we are going to study is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are those angles that lie on the relatively same position with each other. Also, they get generated when two straight lines are cut by the transversal. So angle A and angle B are corresponding angles. But as soon as we talk about the parallel lines and the angles generated when the lines are parallel, the angle A becomes equal to angle B. Now, why are these angles equal? We know that the parallel lines are straight lines and they are at absolutely same distance with each other. So conceptually, if any transversal is going to cut the parallel lines, they are going to intersect the parallel lines at the same angle configuration. That's why angle A is equal to angle B. This is, I can say that they are acute angles. However, if I talk about C and D, then this set is obtuse corresponding angles. You can see the spelling from here. Right. There are other corresponding angles also. So I'll just, for your clarity, would do that. E, F, G, H. So angle E is equals to angle F. Angle G is equal to angle H. Because all of them lie at relatively similar position with each other. That is either on the top of the straight line or in the bottom of the straight line. Hence, they are all corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are equal in parallel lines. Then we come on to the alternate angles. What are alternate angles? They are also generated by the two straight lines and a transversal, and they are on the opposite side of the transversal, forming a Z. So angle A and angle B are alternate angles. But when we talk about the parallel lines, these alternate angles become equal. Why so? We just studied that K is equals to B, angle K is equals to angle B because they are corresponding angles. And we also know that K is equals to angle A because of vertically opposite angles, right? So we, from this set of proofs, we find out that angle A is equal to angle B in the parallel lines. So we can also say that P is equals to Q. So angle P is angle Q. Then R is equals to S. So angle R is equals to angle S. You can say this as alternate exterior angle. Then K is equals to L. These are all alternate angles. I hope everything is clear to you. The next thing that we are going to study is co-interior angles. What are co-interior angles? Angles on the same side of the transversal and in the same vicinity of the straight lines, that is inside of the straight lines. So angle A and angle B are what? Co-interior angles. But co-interior angles have a relationship with them when the lines become parallel, and that relationship is angle A is equal to angle B, that is equals to 180 degrees. Right? So this is what 4 types of angle pairs that we studied. Also, if you want to know why co-interior angles sum up to 180 degrees, let's study that also. Let's take this as K. So if this angle is K, then vertically opposite angles are equal, hence this will also be K. So angle A is equals to 180 degree, take away K because they are on the straight line. Right? We also know that K is equals to B. Angle K is equals to angle B because they are alternate angles. So I can write this B is equals to K over here. Now if I'm going to sum 180 degree minus K plus K, what am I getting? I'm getting 180 degree. Hence, co-interior angles sum up to 180 degree. I think that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.